The story behind Nudie Jeans is, I think I like to explain it as a dream or an ambition from the people that started the company, and that just happened to be with denim, the love for denim. To us, it's non-negotiable being as sustainable as a company, whether it's what customers see or if you read the sustainability report. We want you to see that we're the real deal. We offer free repairs for life on all of our jeans. We sell reused jeans in the store, which basically is secondhand jeans. And this allows us to put new life into someone's trash and create someone's treasure, so to speak. For us to have this new hybrid way of working we're connecting the different retail shops, the online to the physical shops. I think this is really exciting. Being able to treat our repair shops as hubs and really thinking one step further rather than sending from just one warehouse that's on the other side of the country is an exciting thing. The technology allows us to be more proactive in taking the next step. But today what we see retail as, and also in the future, is the need for physical stores. The benefit of our stores is that it doesn't stop at selling something to the store. For us, the retail shop completes the entire circle. So this allows the thought that happened X number of years ago in 2001, that thought is produced every single day in our repair shops. So for us, being able to be the most sustainable company doesn't mean we're there today. It just means that we're going to go on this adventure together and always try to push our limits. We're on a journey right now, and right now we're also on a journey with our friends at Sitoo.